Hello viewers, welcome to SMC. Today I am going to tell you how to create Demat account in ICICI Bank. Go to ICICI I will drop the link below the description. Just click open new account option. You will receive that sign up page. So here you have to enter your mobile number. After you entered your mobile number, press get OTP. You will receive one OTP to your registered mobile number. You enter here and click proceed. I am opening this account for my own, so select first one and proceed. Fill your PAN card details, date of birth and your current email ID and press next. Next we need to link our bank to this ICICI Direct. If you have other bank, choose any other banks. Now I am using ICICI and next. So enter your 12-digit ICICI account number and press link bank account. Next step, you need to complete your KYC process. Just accept all the conditions and then proceed to DigiLocker. Based on RBI regulation, KYC verification is must for all Indian citizens. So must we need to enter our Aadhaar card details and need to verify with DigiLock. You will receive one OTP to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Enter that received OTP and press continue. Now it's asking the permission to access the data from DigiLock. It will get all the basic detail about us like name, date of birth, everything they will get from our Aadhaar database. So give that access. Next stage is document verification. Before uploading the document, check the sample. Like this image, you need to upload your PAN card. Scan your PAN card or take a proper photo and upload the document. This uploading process will take longer than usual, so we have to wait. Second step, we need to upload our photocopy of signature. So take one white sheet and write your signature. Take a photo from your smartphone. Then upload here. Before doing that, check the sample how you need to write the signature. Upload your signature photo. For my registration, I am waiting more than 5 minutes for uploading this 2 documents. Press submit. If you have any old Demat account, go with existing user or else create a new Demat account. In this case, I am going to create a new Demat account. Click open new ICICI Demat account and press next. Agree the terms and conditions. ICICI Bank giving 200 rupees worth of offer for new users. Accept all the terms and conditions and proceed. Now we need to fill the first name, middle name, last name. Check your Aadhaar card. There clearly mention your first name and last name. First name is your name, last name is your father's name. So you have to fill this both clearly. Middle name is optional, so skip that field. Select your gender and marital status. Next, press submit. Next, you need to select your education qualification. Whatever it is, graduate, postgraduate, professional, what your qualification, select that option. And you need to review your email ID, it's correct or not. This email ID belongs to myself. One more time you will check your mobile number and submit. Next, are you political exposed person? No, I don't know anything about political. And then second one is SEBI taken some action against you in past. No. Next, select your occupation. Select your annual income and contact mode. I am always preferred email only. And then press submit. And you need to give few more details. Where you are born, from India or any other countries. And are you a citizen of USA? No, I don't have any citizenships in USA. What's your primary source of wealth? Salary is a primary source for me, so I just select a salary and submit. If you need any special brokerage plan, give us. additional charge will be collected from bank. I don't want any special brokerage plan, so I select no, I will opt later and then submit. You have a good camera on your mobile or laptop, select first one. You don't have a proper camera on your device, select second option. You will receive the link. After that you can re-upload the document with the SMS link. So have a proper camera, so select first option and proceed. Few tips for a selfie, and then press proceed to take selfie. Take your selfie photo and proceed. Next step, we need to verify our email ID. So press get OTP. You will receive one 4-digit OTP to your registered email ID. Enter that OTP here and press submit. Next step, you need to select your ICICI Direct user ID. You can choose your phone number or email ID, anything based on your wish, and then set your password and press next. So I am choosing my mobile number for my user ID and set your password. You need to use one special character and then a 4-digit number or alphabet. Repeat the same password what you are entered in the first column and then press next. Select conditions required and then press I accept the e-sign. Once again you need to verify your author OTP. So select I hardly authorized NSDL e-government option. Enter your Aadhaar card number and press send OTP. Check your Aadhaar registered mobile number. You will receive one OTP. Enter this OTP here. Press verify OTP. Now we are successfully completed our application form process. So ICICI Direct will take 24 hours to active your account. After 24 hours, you can log in with your user ID and password. They are verify your document and active your account. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Will you meet you soon with different video. Bye bye.